Hey everyone, welcome back. Lost access to your account? Follow these steps to recover it quickly. First of all, open the Truist mobile app and tap Trouble Login In. After that, you're going to go ahead and verify your identity by entering your username, email, or your phone number. Then, answer all of the securities questions correctly. Make sure to have no mistakes. Then, follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Open your email app. If you don't see any instructions here, click on the three-line option in the top right corner. Then check your socials, your promotion folders, or scroll down, look inside your spam. If not, then check your trash. Sometimes it glitches and ends up there. Then check your SMS. After that, reset your password. Make sure your password is strong and unique and has all the and will fulfill all the requirements. Once completed, you can log in and access your account as usual, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.